This is a 2003 Toyota Sequoia, rust-free, 120,000 miles. In spectacular condition for its age, unbelievable condition for its age. Brand new Michelin tires, third row seating, leather, tow package. This vehicle needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. You'll be lucky to find a door ding in this thing. Very, very clean. Leather interior is in great shape. There's the Carfax report, no accidents. Original floor mats, AM, FM, CD. 120,000 miles. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cruise control. Sorry about the wind noise. JBL sound. Very clean. Third row seats. So 2003 Toyota Sequoia SR5 with leather, 120,000 miles in remarkable condition. Sorry about the wind noise.